Now in this video, let us solve fourth question. What is fourth question? If B leaves 2 days before the scheduled completion of work. Let's get into the problem. First let us understand what is scheduled completion of work. If B would have stayed till the total completion of work, then what will be the number of days taken to complete the work, which is nothing but 60 by 11. How we got this? Work done is 60 units. A's individual work is 6 units. B's individual work is 5 units. A plus B's individual work is 11 units per day. Now in one day the work done is 11 units. To complete 60 units of work, it will take 60 by 11 days. So this is nothing but scheduled completion of work. But what happened? B left 2 days before the scheduled completion of work. That means for 60 by 11 minus 2 days, A and B combinedly did the work, and the remaining work will be done by A alone. Now let us calculate what will be the work done in 60 by 11 minus 2 days. So one day work is 11 units, and in 60 by 11 minus 2 days, the work done will be 60 minus 22 by 11 into 11, which is nothing but 38 units. The remaining work, that is 22 units, will be done by A alone. A's one day work is 6 units, and to complete 22 units of work, A will take 22 by 6 units. So the total number of days taken will be 60 by 11 minus 2 plus 22 by 6 days, which is nothing but 38 by 11 plus 22 by 6, which is nothing but 3 plus 5 by 11 plus 3 plus 4 by 6, which is nothing but 6 plus 5 by 11 plus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 6 plus 15 plus 22 by 33, which is nothing but 6 plus 37 by 33, which is nothing but 6 plus 1 plus 4 by 33, which is nothing but 7 4 by 33. So this will be the number of days it will take to complete the work if B left 2 days before the scheduled completion of work.